Kia ora. Yeah, just working on these. I'll flip the camera around. These AR3as. I've popped the grill off, obviously, and popped out the woofer. There it is. And just moved all the old fiberglass stuffing out of the way, rock wool or whatever it was in there. Still some up the back there, or the top. Just to reveal the crossover is driver wise, the tweet is going, mid driver itself is going. That's the remnants of the 50 microfarad cap that was this one here, blowing its guts out. Here's the top of it here, and obviously nothing inside. Without looking too far into it, I'm pretty sure that is the, it'll be the cap that feeds the mid-range, I would say. So that's obviously the main problem with these. The rheostat attenuators, I think, they're like really wonky and a bit coarse, so it'll be a wonder if those are going. We'll probably bypass them anyway. So, but that's pretty good. It was the same on the other one. Same cap had blown also. Yet the other mid was not going in terms of measuring. This one measures good, just spot on, and impedance wise it's about 3 ohms. It's a 4 ohm speaker, so it's really good. And on a sound test, just connecting it direct, it also sounded pretty good. There you go. So the woofer goes, tweeter goes. Tweeter is measuring 2 ohms DC resistance. That's pretty low, but it sounds alright. We'll recheck that later. Hopefully that'll magically improve. Yep, that's where we're up to though. So look forward to upgrading it. We're just getting this crossover sorted. Little monster cap there on the woofer. Yeah. Might give some of the components a measure in a minute. Alrighty, wherever you are, have a great night, and hope you're well. And yeah, be your best. Awesome. Cheers. Thank you.